Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about cloud storage and its computing, reducing latency. Cloud storage and its computing are two critical components of modern computing infrastructure that, when combined effectively, can significantly reduce latency and enhance the performance of applications and service. Let's explore these concepts in detail and how they work together to reduce latency. Number 1. Cloud storage. Cloud storage, as mentioned earlier, involves storing digital data on remote servers hosted and managed by third-party providers. Cloud storage services offer scalability, redundancy, and accessibility advantage. Data is typically stored in large data centers situated in various geographical locations. Key features of cloud storage include scalability. Cloud storage allows organizations to easily scale their storage capacity up or down based on their requirement. This is crucial for accommodating growing data volumes. Accessibility. Data stored in the cloud can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. This facilitates the data sharing and collaboration among users across different locations. Cost efficiency. Cloud storage eliminates the need of organizations to invest in and maintain their physical storage infrastructure. Instead, they pay for the storage they use on a subscription or pay-as-you-go basis. Data redundancy. Leading cloud providers replicate data across multiple data centers to ensure high availability and data redundancy, reducing the risks of data loss. Security. Cloud providers implement robust security measures, including encryption, access controls, and authentication to protect data stored in the cloud. It's computing. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.